Hello, we're Wildflower, and we're back with another song. And this is actually the same recording session as Dan's last song that I posted, If I Could Only Fly, which is beautiful and sad. And so I decided that I wanted to do a sad song too. So I chose Willie Nelson, Blue Eyes, Crying in the Rain, which I've never done till today. So I'm going to change in the twilight glow, I see her to him, and that'll work. So we're going to try this. Blue Eyes Crying in the Rain. In the twilight glow, I see him. Blue eyes crying in the rain. When we kissed goodbye and parted, I knew we'd never meet again. Love is like a dying ember, only memories remain. Through the ages, I'll remember blue eyes crying in the rain. Someday when we meet up yonder, we'll stroll hand in hand again. In the land that knows no